Hi everyone, today I'm going to be talking about the first three videos of the reflection. So the first video kind of gives a background of who Webb Du Bois is. He was born in Massachusetts. He got a PhD from Harvard. He teaches at Atlantic University, and when he was teaching there, he produced the Philadelphia Negro case study, which we dive more into in the third video. Du Bois published The Souls of Black Folk in 1903, and historical articles, poetry, etc. were included in that Black Folk book. He also founded the Niagara movement, which wanted to have two main components to it, which were having protests and uplifting others. He also made The Quest of the Silver Feast. He went on to publish 3 autobiographies, giving us a sense of what it was like to be a Black person in the 19th century. So that was basically the first video. Now I'm going to move on to the second, which was the analysis of the souls of Black folk, which is one of his books. So how does racism affect identity? That was the main question in this book. How does racism affect identity? Like, he used the term veil for whites to see Blacks as true Americans. There was always something over the view of these Blacks in the 19th century. And he also used the term veil for Blacks, how they saw themselves as only the way they are seen by whites. So it was really interesting to watch that video because it really gives you a different perspective on the Black folks' thoughts back then. The third video was about the research project called the Philadelphia Negro, and it marked the first study of America's empirical sociology, and it basically was discussing how racism is just a problem of ignorance. So those 3 videos really were interesting to me, and it's insane how W.E.B. Du Bois did all of these things and really pushed for equality in the 19th century.